Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. It is Friday and today we are trying chocolate chip cookies. We are going to compare 3 different chocolate chip cookies: Toll House, Pillsbury, and Great Value. All 3 of these are exactly the same. They are all ready to bake. They all come with 24 cookies. The Nestle and Toll House, they both were $2.50, and this Great Value one from Walmart was $1.96. The Toll House and the Great Value are both 80 calories each, and the Pillsbury are 85 calories each. When I look at the ingredients, they're pretty much all the same, so I don't know. I'm gonna bake these, put them all in separate containers so we know which is which, and then all 5 of us are gonna do a blind taste test. Pillsbury is the only ones that say if you don't love it, it is free. Here they all are out of their package. You can see the Toll House, the Pillsbury, and the Great Value. And the ease of packaging, I liked the Toll House best because this didn't stick to them, so it's way easier to get them out, and it's a little bit thicker, where this is more like soft. I don't know how to describe it. I just like the packaging on this better. These are the Great Value cookies. I can tell these are different from the rest because do you see the square on each one of these? They all have like a square. These are the Toll House cookies. These are the Pillsbury cookies, and to me, these by far look the best. Here they are. We are ready for our taste test. I'm gonna have some very excited boys when they get home from school. You're gonna take a bite of 3 cookies, and you're gonna tell me which one's your favorite. This is number 1, okay? They're all chocolate chip, so that's number 1. So far, what one was better, number 1 or number 2? Which one do you like best so far?
Both.
Both. You need to pick one. So you're gonna have to decide what one was the best, the first one, the second one, or the third one?
First one.
So your favorite one was the Pillsbury, and you're not going to tell the boys because when the boys come home from school, they're going to see which one is their favorite, okay? All right, you can open your eyes. All right, are you ready for the first one? So I have 3 cookies, 3 chocolate chip cookies, and you're going to tell me which one is your favorite out of the 3. This is number 1. All right, ready for number 2? Open your eyes. Number 2. Open your eyes. Number 3.
I really like them.
All right, guys, so on the count of 3, I want you to tell me the one that you liked the best. 1, 2, 3.
1. I was gonna say 1 too.
1? Both of you? All right. Oh my gosh, you're the same as Charlie. That's the Pillsbury. Andy's home, so it's finally my turn. You know how much willpower it took? I did not eat a single one of those freshly baked cookies. Walmart.
Incorrect.
First one was Pillsbury.
Wrong.
What? My favorite one was the first one.
Walmart.
No.
Yep.
No.
And your least favorite one was Pillsbury.
No way.
Yep.
The first one was Walmart.
Yep.
That was amazing.
I went boom, boom, boom.
Walmart was my favorite one.
Walmart.
The last one was my
Pillsbury.
least. The last one was my least favorite.
Did you get chocolate in all of them?
Yeah. You're kidding me.
Nope. I went Great Value, Toll House, Pillsbury.
Wow. Your turn.
Amen. I think I like the last one the best, the first one the second best, and the third one the least.
The last one was Walmart, Great Value.
Really?
The first one was Pillsbury. The second one was Toll House.
So which
Oh.
one do you like?
So we
the
both
best?
like the Walmart ones best.
And the kids like the Pillsbury best.
Interesting.
Not
Yeah.
me.
Thank you for watching, guys. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Comment below if we should try this again with some other products. Let us know below. Everybody come on in. Say bye. Bye.